ebintu bigangora wika wakolire tonyole ime y'umuco w'umusongo ase barayasunika migori otarayikasenya gitaye lya nyangena boigo nabo waka esimi gwetrase chinamba chito echo chire enoti isano libere kyanda eyemo isano libere isato kyanda ibere inye kose enoti isano libere isano nesato ibere inye eyemo inye isano libere inye elio okole amonjilio asinka ya olero Nilan Hub where style, comfort and quality meet.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Eduka y'obomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide iri kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyenseliga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iri gatigati wekari guri iri abantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire biasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho go musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Ritukaneri ya Jumaine chitarikinye umutinyo kabere umwaka w'ekiri Ibere emerongo 25 andonse asore nago kwani umwanchi umurigererio Getembe TV no kwegena kwane buna kwabere gokwego kya wetera emerobero yabereke kugokera ase embe ese bona igango kwariganya ase MSA ya mangana maya erinde torore narari abari kibeito ba mangana babekire chikambi narari batwaga neiri umugaso yobono Chinsa Isano na Ibere gose Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere amaretane njuli Kerubo orio kwene kebona chibicha nerio gingo wekera chire asenchera yo wekera nigagoro kwa havira kalili oigo oyore ase ensemo yebi manyererio nigo akoro kwa Wilson Makori. Nekero SME egendete kubekwa ase omostari omotu nigo bono omogambi gosomo chief of West Mogrango location Livingstone Mabuka ababoriri abarai gosa abantu bensemeyu kokubeka SME mutu kwana na egetaseni kya Getembe TV nigo ababoriri abantu boigo koba maiso elio gukora obosaria ubogendrete kwenekiwa ase chinsemo
ongwadi baisia bananchi batema kuira abana bake echi nasari chiri chingia masomo gataita ansere nsaria umwana gagukina igaigwete inki agasomigwa akara goja kwenda form 1 form 2 gosegire 9 gochimuino wasangia na mayete koigwa ichirangwechi abana bange bagotura gurwe school esengenjo agoika grade 9 gochimuino wasangi tari ku egesongo tari ku Kiswahili wanza goteba maisa ndomire yabiteriri bano mwana wanza gosiga saiga otige skuru esengenja tari kuigwa language kyargo chigabo negesongo gyoka negeswahili abarimu bagasoma naende nabo totate goteba nabone kinyuru kyane ontagete abana bon speak batoke skuru igona ontate goteba mama bantu baminto engombe nero tebasa gutigwegeti tigebe kwase esiekeire kusuti na liona ayo kumanya kumana china ndi nyebeka aso guciomeria utuko kwaranga neroro abantu abango gusangia nyetigete geti alio mambio cha kwa reporting ngombe ane yasire lakini naye kwa yitigete asa muibya akanyoro buraisi kwa enyoro abantu bali batugete chimbo litago sibapara obubire ro wansire kugonekana bwe chimbo lyo abantu bagwetana chi propox baru tembolime watamane mboli nyebeka aso roje na no nyemana chetie ekiara kero babekire gali mese bagotamigocha turi kunyara kubaikera ebinde twandate gukora twandate gukora chesta abantu ba sa eye abantu abange baramanya ubuya bwaye no bube abange banye kwe bacha baruchenga mbali uje gukonyeka lakini njira montate kubatenga sa benge ndo kyamana sana neba kwa digest nande gwakanira limo serikali gwakanira lioka ikarukwera umurwiri lakini etoke tora register ekakwenda nyagitari bago kubikira ini kao ete process kao ja register uruire bwako bwire yetari ko babia igo nabonda itoteba abantu baminto tema ku register into bwata abantu bekinyura ali bako register network nesumbwete lakini na tema ko remeria bakorena kwa bere registered
Litkerimo maega y'abagambi batano gochererwa asensemeri ya Mandera nigo litkoria rero umurai wense umuske William Ruto arachigokora etaro ya wika ase chinsemecho asawe chikwene kia chi project gose kwigora chi project gati ya magenderero ande amange ase ensemeyo Nigo bono oyoro mokonyi bw'omurai bwense omuske Profesa Abraham Kithure Kindiki ababoriri abamererani be serikali kumwa omurai bwense omuske William Ruto chinga kichinyororo eri gwikirani chira chiri abariereta abakenya gokora igasi gati ye amatukaya gose emyaka yatigire ase eri etano.
He has a 5-year term. So those questions will come at the right time. Lakini also we don't mind you reminding us what we said because you are helping us achieve our targets. Kwa sababu sasa once you achieve our targets, I wonder what these characters will say. Sababu saa hii wanasema hii haijaanza, hii haijakamilika, itakamilika. And then you will have no story. Liona wengine wana complain the other day ati tumepea sugarcane farmers bonus. Yeah? But that's what we say, that sugarcane and sugarcane farming is going to be profitable. We waived the debts. We are now paying farmers every week. We are paying workers every month. And every Friday, mkulima wa miwa hapo anapata cheki yake.
Na kubwatia chisegi echu chabere chikwene kigwa ase abatugi betugo chinsemo ao nigo bono serikali abaine keirio morembe nabo igo kubaboria abamenyi be chinsemo echo goswa ase ebyombe ao bya serikali erio kwegendereria ase obogima.
You may have noticed that in the recent past, the Ngans have gone silent. The Ngans have gone silent because of the initiative organizations like Interpeace are having in this particular region. Is that we are harnessing the power of the people by bringing them together to work together in the value chains that are feasible and viable in these particular counties, and aggregating the people through cooperatives so that people are economically engaged for the betterment of their lives. As a ministry, we working with the counties, we are converting the community associations into cooperatives. We are looking at that value chain. How can we feed lot, for example? Because under the livestock value chain, livestock value chain and the value chain, we are looking at fin lotting. How can we have fin lot in all these counties such that we convert the traditional pastoralism to viable economic unit?
I'm Hassan Ismail. I'm the Interpeace country rep for Kenya. We want to have the data around issues that exist. What is working, what is not working, and what are the missing gaps in this sector. And then the second objective is to do a joint action plan that can be mirrored across all these counties to ensure that we have got accelerated economic inclusion following the government's bottom-up economic model to ensure that everybody is supported.
Omunya Kerubo bwe kamiti budget ase bunge boigo yore omubungo Kiharundi Dinyoro nigo bono ababoriri abanasiasa gutigana na siasa ekibagendete chinsemo na kokora amagenderero muna babete bakuriera abakenya chira iri gwikirania amaganyo ye serikali.
We have already given out textbooks even for grade 9 at a ratio of 1:1. And where it is not 1:1, it is because of the data that was given by the schools, because we use the NEMIS data to give out those textbooks. So each learner akona kitabu.
Mimi vile Mungu amenipea nafasi ya kuongoza, nimeona ni vizuri hata tukiongoza nikumbuke wale wametangulia hapo beleni kama ma-MP wa Kiharu, na ndio tumeona ile mijengo tunafanya kubwa kwa legacy ya wale viongozi wamekuwa hapo beleni. Tutaziita majina ya hao viongozi.
Nigo bono ekiombe kerigetenene tabo bisaba ribo bobweni Kenya National Clinic Officers Union kegendete kogosia serikali igoro yo morobero ryo sha esagate babona serikali ritera ikirania chira chiri gosetera ikirania emerobero ya sha asabana bagusaba umuraibwense go umuraibwense umuske Dr. William Ruto ochenchi gose koligereria abateneneria basha na kubabekera abateneneria baye abarachikogera gose barachikogendereri ekiombe kugyasha kubeka obokoreri obuya gochi ase abakenya.
Really concerned that the agreement between SHA and our teams, that is the COC and the Ministry of Health, is not bearing any fruit. We are really concerned that up to now our members are not able to do pre-authorization for SHA.
Is that the problem with the Social Health Authority is the secretariat, the management of the Social Health Authority. It's not the law, it's not the other things, it is the management. And that is why we continue to call for the disbandment of the management of Social Health Authority, and we bring in Kenyans.
Deliberately, the government have chosen to work with a system that continues systematically to fail. Every time on Friday, Thursday, there is several facilities that you cannot seek services. And those are deliberate issues, and issues which are administrative and need to be sorted and not to be repeated.
Mwancho marigereria ayuna yanda mange no chikunyanyora chikoraga Chinsa 10 cha maragoba kwarengena nche Juli Kerubo no rione kebuna chibicha ne ryogincha gochera senchira yo wekrani genkoro kwa Havira Kaliri boigo oyorenge asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Wilson Makori na koganeri oborigereria obuya ase emeroberiende ekobwatia.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints bono mbabwata chirangi cho gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chiria chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiria chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri korwase chiria chiri guririke iriria gatigati gwikariguri ria bantabatinu buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganiri erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na wokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyoerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyoere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Nilan Hub niye moya chiduka echichikone ibintu bigutumika service na bega se nyumba yao yani furnitures aseli golidia mabuko ebyo bikomenya segeka ase Chinsa cha living room mbabwate chi throw pillows echujire chichingenjo au na bwego ne chikala au mbabwate recliner sofa sets echura onchura ne buno kuganya kwa okole nkone bale fabric sofa sets echujire chechi 7 seater na bwego ne chechi 6 seater echujire chechi rangi ne chi design au nkone bale marble and glass top adjustable TV stands echura tumeke aso kubeke TV ya obu ya ase Chinsa cha coffee tables nkone bale wooden coffee tables mbabwate glass top coffee table nkone bale marble top coffee tables egatie chinde chinyinge Chinsa cha dining room mbabwate dining table na boigo nechi set korwa asemete ya mahogan echuchire chechi 6 seater na boigo nechi 8 seater na boigo mbabwate marble top inyoranga Nilan Hub nigo bwato murubelio oli papole pole asuwanchiro wakanira ebintu bigangorangora wika wakolire tonyole imbeyo mucho musongo ase barayasunika migori otaraikasenya gitali lya nyangena boigo nabogwaka esimi gwetera sechi namba chito echuchire enoti sano libere kianda eyemo isano libere isato kianda ibere inye kose enoti sano libere isano nesato ibere inye eyemo inye isano libere inye elio okole amonjilio asinka ya olero Nilan Hub where style, comfort and quality meet.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi. Coming soon on Getembe Television.
Okioma. Joy na mwa upendo usipende. I kill you or I marry Joy.
Ubuna bobo gimanta gitomenyere bwona. Ekwaronta yora kwigirita inyo kubwate tariso bwate.
Kamujeshi isoba kamanyenga. Coming of Kamujeshi is Jeshi in compound his
Hai nyanchama. Kwani ndagire yokuri? Minto gaika. Nyoko na iso.
Joy.
Kamjesh, umekuja kufanya nini?
Nimekuja kukuchukua wewe. You only have one option. Is either I marry you ama niwe babako.
Nini?
Lakini akituma itimbo atita na mama. Na biye kambo atengo tamera. Wona cha